Welcome to What's New in Treblle 3.0. In this video, we will take a look at how Treble's compliance feature helps developers secure their APIs, check regulations, and build trust. Let's start. APIs handle a lot of sensitive data: health data, credit card data, security codes, and other identification and payment data. And in such cases, it is important that they are compliant with regulations. For example, the GDPR, CCPA, and many more. Ignoring compliance has led to hefty fines or have affected the trust of users. With Treblle 3.0's compliance feature, you get a built-in safety net. It flags sensitive data, keeps logs, and notifies you proactively to ensure your APIs stay compliant. It works like an always-on auditor, spotting potential risks before they become problems. The key features of the compliance tool include regulatory detection, where Treblle automatically identifies sensitive data like payment info, personal identifiers, and geolocation data. You don't need to memorize regulations. It handles it for you. It also audits logs, which allows for easy audits and troubleshooting of every flagged request. Breaches are also handled instantly in Treblle. When sensitive data is exposed, the tool pinpoints the issue. Even authenticated responses are flagged to ensure data isn't exposed to unintended parties. To use Trebble's compliance feature, head to the Compliance section from the left-hand menu. Here, you can see the daily compliance breakdowns and if it is a pass or fail on the compliance. You get to study the trends in your compliance over time. Here are a few tips to get the best out of compliance. Check flag data regularly. Act quickly if sensitive data is imposed, and regularly share insights across team members using Trebble's workspace tools. And that's a quick overview of Trebble's compliance features. If you like this video, let us know and we'll come back with another video. Thank you.